drilling, plus reaming, plus countersink, plus tapping, the all-in-one powerful magnetic core drilling machine from BDS Maschinen. Presenting MAB 1300, magnetic drilling plus tapping machine from the Profi Plus category. The MAB 1300 is the world's most powerful magnetic drilling machine, drilling up to an unbelievable 130mm diameter, up to 110mm cutting depth. The power assist system fitted inside the feed handle helps in effortless drilling. Works like the power steering of a car. With Morse Tapper 4 drill up to diameter 45mm with twist drill bits. 50mm reaming. Up to 80mm countersink. Thread cutting up to M42. Simply better drilling. Equipped with the most powerful 2,300 watt motor, weighing 51 kilograms, permanent internal lubrication. Reversible motor for easy tapping. Intelligent magnet indicator. Premium power assist for effortless drilling. Sleek attached cooling tank. Powerful 4-speed gears. Morse Tapper 4 machine. Precise speed and torque controls. Safely arranged switches for protection. Intelligent carbon brush wear indicator. Full wave control electronics for steady watt output. Friction clutch to prevent cutter breakage. Brilliant motor overheat protection. MAB 1300, the world's most powerful magnetic drilling plus tapping machine. Made in Germany by BDS Machines.